So welcome to our first lesson for flight training, and before we can take off we have to start by taxiing. And so we're going to use the left hand stick here, which controls the rudder. You can see the rudder moving back and forth, and also the nose wheel is moving back and forth because that's what actually steers the airplane on the ground. We're flying off a grass surface today, so we do need to add a little more power than you might have to add when you're flying from a smooth surface like a runway. In this case, you can see I can bring the throttle up until it's just starting to move. It takes a little more throttle again than you might expect. And then once it's rolling, we can move the stick to the left. The airplane will turn to the left. We can move to the right. The airplane will turn to the right. Trying to find the right throttle setting so it's moving just enough that we can actually steer and move forward, but not too fast. We don't want the throttle too high because we may accidentally take off. So I'm going to turn around here and go back to the other end of the runway. Taxi down there. So that way we can set up for a takeoff. When I get a little bit further down, I'm going to slow down here. Make a 180-degree turn to the left. Get it lined up with just about the center of the runway. Then I'm going to pause before takeoff.